the contestants, because everyone just wants to kind of get it over with and just answer the question and do the best they can.
That's right.
We're almost there, ladies. We're almost there.
Yes, the tension is rising as you mentioned, and we are just moments away from finding out who will make it to the final stage of the competition.
The selection committee has a tough task of choosing which delegates will advance, and the stakes could not be higher.
Who will continue their journey? The moment of truth is upon us.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are getting closer to the final moment where we crown Miss Global 2025. But first, it's time to announce the placements of our finalists.
Thank God.
Ladies and gentlemen, the envelope is here!
Oh, can we get a round of applause?
Here's the result! Are you ready? Are you ready at the back?
I need the people at the back to be so much louder. ขอเสียงตบมือหน่อยค่ะ ขอดังกว่านี้หน่อยค่ะ
That's great! Starting with our fourth runner-up.
This delegate has shown tremendous talent and heart throughout the competition. Let's give a big round of applause to our fourth runner-up. Yes, ready. Let's do it together.
Okay. And the fourth runner-up is... Who's gonna be? Who's gonna be? Philippines!
Congratulations, Philippines! You are fourth runner-up. You have made a lasting mark on this competition.
Next up, we will be announcing the third runner-up. She has been a shining sample of grace, confidence, and global spirit. All right.
Who is it gonna be? Who is it gonna be?
The third runner-up of Miss Global
USA.
2025 is...
Jamaica.
And the third runner-up goes to...
Jamaica.
USA!
Oh my God. Same
Huge
placement.
congratulations to USA.
Let's
I
listen to
believe
it
you
now.
have made your country and your fans proud.
Now we have our top three standing here on stage before you. We have Jamaica, Puerto Rico, and Vietnam.
A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Our top three standing right here before you.
These three amazing ladies will move on and compete for the ultimate title of Miss Global 2025. Who will take home the crown?
But they haven't got the time to celebrate just yet, Antonia, because the next round is about to begin right now. All right, if you're ready, as we are here with our top three, we are moments away to find out who will be wearing the coveted crown of Miss Global this year.
I'm so excited!
Me too.
Are you guys excited? I don't think you guys are excited as I am.
Yes, all right, the time has arrived. It's time for the final word. Here's how it works. Each contestant will be asked the exact same question. So delivering a strong, unique answer has never been more important. While one contestant answers, the others will be wearing soundproof headphones. You've each got 60 seconds to respond. If you go over time, you will hear this sound. And Whoever will need an interpreter, they will also have 60 seconds to provide interpretation after the delegate finishes their answer as well. Alright, again, the final 3 contestants will be wearing headphones. It's time for you, Jamaica. Jamaica, joining us at the center stage, it's your turn.
Get ready. Here is your question. The Miss Global slogan, empower, embrace, embody. Please share with us throughout the last 2 weeks at Miss Global, which of these 3 words you experienced most, and what have you learned from being a part of Miss Global?
You have 60 seconds, starts now.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I have learned through my Miss Global journey to embrace who I am. I am from a very small country, and to be here in front of all of these lovely, intelligent women, I have learned so much. I have become and embodied a lot of their culture, as well as adding to their knowledge as well from where I'm from. And as such, I believe I've used those skills to embody who I am and to use what I know to empower them and embody what it is to be a true queen. Thank you.
Thank you, Jamaica.
Up next, Puerto Rico. Please set to center stage.
And also the headset on the Vietnam. You have 60 seconds. Here's your final question.
The Miss Global slogan, empower, embrace, embody. Please share with us throughout this last 2 weeks at Miss Global, which of these 3 words you experienced most, and what have you learned from being a part of Miss Global?
You ready? Let's go.
Definitely, I would say that standing in front of all of you guys right now is an answered prayer. Oh my God. Right now, I have the courage and the ability to be with all my sisters behind stage. Right now, they're all had made me learn that what is, sorry. And Miss Global all about all. Miss Global organization has let me understand the power of us women that we have to uplift our voices and to have her heart and rather define the beauty concept that is just beautiful from the outside. Just embracing ourselves how we are and share that with the other contestants and share our diversity and explore what we have inside and shine bright all the way. Thank you.
There you go, Puerto Rico. Thank you.
Next up, let's welcome Vietnam.
You have 60 seconds as well, Vietnam. Alright, and here is your final question.
The Miss Global slogan, empower, embrace, embody. Please share with us throughout this last 2 weeks at Miss Global, which of these 3 words you experienced most, and what have you learned from being a part of Miss Global?
If you're ready, 60 seconds starts now.
For the last 2 weeks, that I have come to spend with all the ladies that empower here, I have learned to empower myself, to step out of my comfort zone and be who I want to be and chase my dreams. And secondly, to represent my country, Vietnam, my beloved country, to show our culture of diverse and lovely. That's why I'm so proud. And the church is embrace the beauty within. The beauty that we understand. Beauty is conveyed, but legacy and love will last forever. And the last thing I want to share is the sisterhood of Miss Global. That is the three parts that I always proud to be a part of. Thank you.
Vietnam! Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, their answer. A round of applause for our top three!
Na mental block ba siya?
Our top three finalists have just delivered their final word, sharing their vision, passion, and what it meant to be Miss Global.